Hello, and welcome to my Rodan & Fields website. If you are viewing this video, it's because you've decided to become one of my preferred customers, una de mis preferidas. So let me show you how to get started and to order and subscribe to the most amazing skincare products. So when you first log into my website, which is bguerra.myrndf.com, you will see this landing page, and my name will pop up here on the left-hand corner. So if you scroll down, this is a seasonal spot that comes up on the landing page. Right now we're featuring products that help with winter, the effects of winter, and you can scroll down and explore all the different things that I have on my website about this #1 anti-aging skincare. And one of the places I would love for you to stop is right here where it says Find Your Regimen. And if you click the Get Started button, it'll take you to our solution tool, and you can do a personalized online consultation, which will yield the recommendations for the best products for your skin type. But right now, the focus of our video is to come down to enroll you as a preferred customer. And so you stop here at the little dachshund, super cute salchicha, and you are going to get ready to enjoy 10% savings and free shipping on your products. So let's go ahead and click Enroll Now. The Enroll Now tab brings you to this next page, the Subscribe and Save. So if you scroll down, you'll see all the preferred customer perks that you'll be able to enjoy for the one-time $19.95 enrollment fee. Again, that's lifetime because you're going to be one of my preferidas forever, right? So going all the way through these, I want to draw attention to this particular first line. This is the standard line. When it says automatic delivery of subscriptions, I want you to understand that this is completely customizable. Please, please, please know that this can be rescheduled. It's not going to automatically send you anything that you don't want to receive. And the way that we're going to set this up, I'm going to be able to provide you service. If you just want to text me and say, hey, postpone my order for a month, or you know what, I ran out of this, can you schedule that a little bit earlier? We can go ahead and tailor that for you. And I'm going to be with you every step of the way. So just know that that is completely customizable. Everything else is fabulous perks of being a PC customer. So let's hit the Subscribe Now tab right here. Okay, so then this brings you to the PC Perks enrollment where you're going to fill in your personal information. So I'm going to go ahead and pretend that I'm creating a profile for myself, and I'm going to put in the information. I'm going to text you the password, and so that I can properly set you up with this. So don't worry about this. We're just going to use a crazy password there to get to the next screen, and again, kind of a pseudo phone number there to get me to show you the next screen. And of course here, whichever one, male or female, gentlemen love our products too because they don't want to have wrinkles either, and they also have want to have the best skincare possible. So then press continue. And then you're brought here to the second step, which is to select your consultant, which of course will be me. There you'll see my name, and all you have to do is press the continue button. And that will bring you to the next step, which is number 3, and it's all the terms and conditions, basically the legalese that expands on the details of the perks. But you're welcome to go through all of this and then scroll to the very bottom where it has the little checks box where you will check, and a little blue check will appear showing that you've reviewed the PC Perks terms and conditions, and then go to the Continue tab at the bottom. Now these are the last 2 steps. Right here is where you're actually going to select your product, and if you look across this line, you'll have all the different skincare lines and the enhancements and essentials that we offer. If, for example, you were going to select enrollment as a preferred customer for Lash Boost, you would go to the essentials. You click on the essentials and then scroll down and find the Lash Boost, and it will select your one just like a regular online order. And then once you're done with that, then you'll continue to the last step, which is the payment option, and then you'll go ahead and put your information there, your credit card information. So I hope that this helps you, and if you have any other questions regarding becoming a preferred customer or anything regarding Rodan and Fields, or just want to chit chat with me, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I look forward to having you as one of my preferidas for a long time. Have a great day, and remember, put your best face forward.